Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 7X and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the sound. Here we got the volume section. Tap there and as can you see here we have now the notification sound panel. So just go back and here you'll see the notification section. Just tap here. Right now our notification ringtone is bongo, and now just if you wanna mute your notification sound, just tap here to the none one, and right now as can you see our notification just is the silent. And so by this way we just muted our notification sound. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.